Alright, I had to go buy a vacuum cleaner. My other one got to where it was spitting dirt out at me. So I think this looks awful flimsy. Now look at this. That looks awful damn flimsy, don't it? Much as I paid for this vacuum cleaner, you'd think, what does that do for you? I don't know. I guess that releases that wand. Okay, it does. Now the hose, I guess, goes like this. Does it go down in that hole? Yeah. Alright. The hell's the power button on this sucker? Maybe that red button's... I'm assuming that's the power button. What's that do? That's got to release this. Ouch! Yeah, it does. Big old cord. Where's the power suck thing at? This thing is supposed to be able to... How does that thing work? It's got like a water wheel in there, it looks like. Oh, I bet it's like a turbine. It sucks, it's supposed to maybe spin that thing. I wonder if it hurt you if you stuck your finger while it was spinning. So you had to leave it up to me to think of that. Don't worry, I ain't going to try that. I know y'all love to see me stick my finger in a vacuum cleaner with it running. Now let's see how... Whoa, shit. See, I done gonna break it. Sit your ass up here. Okay, similar to mine. The one that I've got. Got this. I like the canister vacs. Alright, that works pretty good. But we're gonna know. See, I wanted one with some attachments so I could clean the cobwebs out of the corners of the rooms. And so that I could clean the couch, you know. I'm hoping this works to get some of the pet hair off the couch. Well, anyway, that's the vacuum. Uh-oh. Hi! Cat says, no thank you, I know what you bought. Yeah, Cat, guess what else I bought? Here, I'll show you. Come here. Oh! Come here, Cat, look. What's it at? I'll show you what I bought. Here, I bought some light bulbs to light up the cat's life. That's laundry. That's washer cleaner to clean the washing machine. Oh, look, Cat, look. I found it. Mumbles, look. I found the salmon cuts. Oh, I found them for you. You know what store I had to go to get that? I had to go to that Go to Hell store, Walmart, and get it. I had to go to Walmart for you. Yeah, we know how you don't appreciate nothing, Cat. The things I do for the Panther. Alright, what's in here? Oh, yeah, cleaning. We gotta clean. 50% cleaning powder. Power. Some more cleaner. Lemon scented. Ooh. Air freshener so we don't smell in here. Furniture polish stuff. Dish soap. And then whatever this stuff's supposed to be to do for the cat, it's catnip spray. Just spray that on her boyfriend. Oh, hi, do you want something? What do you know? What are you doing? You probably want some wet food. Yeah. You want some wet food. Wet food? Yeah. choosy beggar over there. It's a choosy beggar. You're worse than people that stand outside of the store and beg for money at Christmas time. Move your cat litter, cat. Where you going? Here's your plate for your food. That cat litter fell over. Mmm. I need to take the trash out. Shit, I forgot trash bags. Oh well. Look at eating that wet food. Cat, I'm sorry. All right, y'all, I gotta go. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta pee. I know TMI, but whatever. All right, thanks for watching. Later, the cat's got wet food. She's in a good mood. Bye.